Hello and welcome to the I Love Springerle channel. This is Shannon and I am going to show you the Baroque owl Springerle mold. This is a House on a Hill brand mold and features a tree owl sitting on a branch. All our molds are made in the USA of food grade resin. For years and years they will last and can be handed down. This has nice flourishes and floral scrolls at the top and little leaves. I tried a new Springerle recipe for this one. I'm going to give it to you. It's 4 eggs, 485 grams of sugar and flour, a pinch of hartshorn. You whip the eggs and sugar until stiff and mix with the dry ingredients and knead well. Make sure not to knead too much flour in or you may have cracking. Here I painted this one and spent a little time with it. It was a lot of fun. And I just went layer after layer. Make sure you always thin out, not with water, but with some sort of drinking alcohol. And that will evaporate. So there it is, the Baroque Owl Springerle mold, available at ilovespringerle.com. Such a cutie, hoot hoot! Thank you so much for watching, like and subscribe, and look forward to making a lot more videos for you showcasing each and every single mold that are available. Have a great day, bye-bye.